equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Dyson V8 and unplug it from the charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button while gently pulling the battery away from the main body. If you encounter resistance, double-check that the button is fully pressed. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to clean the battery compartment with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Now, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors in the battery compartment. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Next, we'll need to secure the battery with the screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, insert the screws back into their original positions. Make sure they are tightened, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. After securing the battery, it's a good idea to check the internal components for any dust or blockages. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the cover of the vacuum's dust canister. Clean out any debris you find, as this can improve suction and overall performance. Once everything is clean, reassemble the dust canister and ensure it clicks back into place. Now, plug your Dyson V8 back into the charger and allow it to charge fully before using it again. If you're unsure about any step or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess your vacuum and provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Finally, test your vacuum to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With these steps, you should have your Dyson V8 running like new again. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.